And starting. All right. How's it going, guys? Opening up another session here. My name is Jerome, just moving some remotes. So I just want to talk to some spirits willing to come forward and tell me a story. Any spirits present right now? So I don't mean any harm. I'm just trying to talk to whoever's available who wants to have a real life person to talk to.
Listen, I know people think.
Hello, hello. Alright, what's with the music, guys? Recently, I was thinking about a question to ask you.
Digitize.
When we die, sometimes,
I find it.
do we experience
There's slowdown.
bad memories, or perhaps the way we died? Do we relive the moments of our last lives?
Just swallow.
Poor Charlie.
Poor Charlie. Is there somebody's name, Charlie?
Yeah.
Okay. How many spirits are present? Can you tell me how many spirits are present right now? Did you say 45? I heard a car. That was kind of strange. Was that somebody's horn beeping? So I asked, did we experience the last moments of our lives? Did one of you die in a car accident? Who's the female? Who's the female with the beautiful voice? Can you tell me your name? It's very pretty. So my name is Jerome. Can you please tell me your names?
Trying to figure out the lead time.
What I want to know, there's a lot of things I want to know. Like dreams, for example. When we dream, does our soul enter into a new plane? Hello, hello? I'm going to try to put the reverse mode on, see what I get from that. Will this help you guys come through better?
Reverse mode activated.
Okay, so I want to talk more about the moment of our deaths. That moment we're about to die. Do you know that you're about to die at that moment? Or do we have guardian angels? Do I have a guardian angel? What's the name of my guardian angels? If you are their guardian angel or angels, please come through. Tell me your names. I heard hard to or far to.
Lifestyle, gender.
I think the most curious question I have about the afterlife is reincarnation. Is reincarnation real? Do we have multiple lives? Mark 8 minutes 30 seconds playback. I believe I may have been in a previous life. Can anybody confirm that I had a previous life to this one that I'm living now? I believe I may have been murdered in a previous life. Could this be true or possible? And do birthmarks confirm our existence of previous lives? Well, is there any message or anybody that wants to come through? Sorry, that was my phone. Are there any spirits that still linger around this area where I live? If there are, please come talk to me. I'm going to turn reverse mode off.
Reverse mode deactivated.
Is this better? A lot of you spirits are talking. Only the Lord. What does the Lord have to say? Are any of you spirits that are here, have you made it to heaven? And if you haven't made it to heaven, did you go to hell? Is there a hell? Or are you kind of just in limbo? Why are you laughing? Well, I'm going to go ahead and stop my recording and play it back so I can hear. I'd wish to talk to you guys some more. Alright, I'm stopping it now so I can listen.